Hey guys, it's Russell with AirMed Hemp Extracts, and today's video is going to be how to take CBD. We get this question all the time. People have researched it. They've decided to take the plunge and check out CBD, but there's 1,000 products. They don't know how to take it, what to take. So I just wanted to explain some of the differences and some of the different delivery methods so you can make a decision on what's going to be best for you. So the most effective, most instant relief, and best absorption is going to be anything smokable. So you can have your CBD hemp flower. Most shops are going to be selling this these days. It looks just like what you would think marijuana looks like because it's all cannabis. It's all the same species of plant. So looks the same, smells the same, tastes the same. You just don't get the high from it. You get the medical benefits without the high. You can also vape, pre-rolls, anything like that is going to be smokable. That's going to be instant relief, and it's going to be the best absorption. Next, I'm sure you've all seen tinctures in these little bottles, pretty universal size. On those, what you do is you're going to take an eyedropper, whatever your dosage is, and you're going to put it underneath your tongue. The reason being is you have sublingual glands underneath your tongue, and what this does is it allows your body to absorb that CBD, goes directly into your bloodstream instead of going through your digestion. So you bypass the digestion, which is very critical for absorbing more of the dose. So which brings me to my next delivery method, like gummies, chocolate, water, pretty much anything that you swallow is going to go through your digestion. It's probably my least favorite delivery method just because you only get about 10% of the dose once it goes through your digestion. So that's with any supplement, vitamins, anything like that, not just CBD. So when you eat a gummy, something like that, you don't really get near the effectiveness as from a tincture or a smokable. People love them. People swear by them. So there is no wrong way to take CBD, whatever's working for you. So you just have to experiment, find out what works for you personally, because everyone reacts differently to it. There is topical applications, topical lotions, bath bombs, stuff like that. These work great. They work pretty fast as well, but it's going to be like taking an aspirin or something. It's only going to work for a little while. It's going to wear off. You're going to have to reapply. It's only going to help the spot that you put it. So if you have something like a chronic pain all over or anxiety, that's not going to be your best bet. This is going to be if you pulled a muscle or you got a sore neck or something like that, and it comes and goes. It's not going to be something that's there every day. You would want to do a tincture or something smokable if that's the case. So those are the main delivery methods. Also for our pet products, we make it in a tincture. You just simply dose according to the weight and put it on top of their food. I prefer doing an oil like that versus a treat just for the consistency. The treats can be inconsistent or if they're just topically coated. The oil will let you know exactly how much you're giving your pet. So we'll do another video on pet CBD one day, but those are your basic delivery methods. So you have smokable, sublingual tincture, edibles, and then you have topicals as well. So like I said, I always recommend start with the tincture. Do it daily, do it morning and night. The more you separate it out, the more your body's going to absorb. I recommend 1,000 milligrams. That seems to be the sweet spot for most people. Most people need 20 to 30 milligrams a day. So you can get that in a variety of ways, whether you do one dose of tincture, eat a couple gummies, smoke a pre-roll, whatever works for you. It's going to be different for everybody. So I always recommend tincture. Do that morning and night. And then if you have a day where you're extra anxious, extra stressful, your joints are hurting because the weather's changing, then you can add, in addition to that, some gummies or topical, something along those lines, and supplement with your normal regimen. So, but that's about it, guys. If you have any questions about CBD, any of these delivery methods, please feel free to leave a comment or shoot us an email. All right, have a great day, guys. Thanks.